Hi everyone, long time no see, right? Welcome to our new video on CrowdSpace. Today we are talking about P2P lending for student loans and how does it work. They say an investment in education gives the best returns in the long run. The knowledge and skills you learn stay with you forever. But it's no secret that to make that investment you often have to take out a loan first. Likely, the time when education was available only to the privileged and wealthy are long gone. And today there are some opportunities to get the financing for the desired degree at very educational establishment that fit best your needs. Well, how does P2P work for student loans? P2P lending is an alternative financing method that is common for many situations where traditional banking fails or simply has less effective terms. And here are the basic steps to apply for a student loan through a P2P website. In the first place, you will have to fill out the information about your credit history to be eligible for the funding. You may also need to provide some background info on how you are planning to use the loan money. Once you accept and sign up for the deal, the P2P lending platform will take care of the transaction to have the money transferred to your account per the terms you have previously agreed to. As to the monthly installments, you may need to pay them manually or have the P2P website charge them automatically on a monthly basis. This is something called an auto-invest. Speaking of P2P lending for student loans, in particular, here are the main benefits that future alumni can enjoy. Well, first of all, interest rates will be definitely much lower, assuming there is no need to cover overhead costs that any other corporate entity will need to include. Secondly, on some P2P platforms, lenders get to personally select the loan they will invest into, so don't neglect describing your educational ambitions. Number 3, using a P2P lending platform may contribute your financial education. And number 4, P2P student loans are easier to get compared to traditional banking. Well, we probably also should talk about P2P student loan cons. Well, firstly, unlike other existing student loan types, for instance, federal student loans in the US, P2P carries no additional benefits or protection measures. There is no option to postpone the payment deadline or apply for a student loan forgiveness. And another thing you should know is that the latest practice shows that the majority of P2P lending loans are mostly short-term, obliging their borrower to repay the funds within 1 or 2 years. Even if a student is getting his secondary education, sometimes the timeline is too tight. As the tuition costs continue to rise, more students turn to alternative financing methods to pay for their degrees under more attractive terms. If you think a P2P student loan is a viable option for you, we invite you to explore and discover more P2P lending platforms to find just the right resource to achieve your educational and career goals. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.